Games and Giggles! Hey! Welcome to episode 124 of Games and Giggles. I'm your host, Miss Rylee, and today's episode is all about human anatomy. Our bodies are full of amazing parts that help us move, think, feel, and grow. From our bones to our brains, we're going to test your knowledge, ask some silly questions, and do some wacky challenges, all keeping the theme of anatomy. So get ready to stretch your brain and flex your funny bone. It's time to play. Well, before we dive into the first game, let's do a quick educational tidbit about what anatomy is. Not everyone listening might know. Do you know what human anatomy is? Anatomy is the study of the structure of living things. It's all about understanding how our bodies are put together, from the smallest cells to the largest organs. We look at bones, muscles, nerves, and everything in between to see how they all connect and work together. This helps us know how our bodies function and how they keep us moving, breathing, and living every day. So, as we play today, think about how amazing your body is and all the cool things it can do. Ready to learn some fun facts and play some games? Okay, let's go. First up on the list for today's games, we're going to start off with some tricky multiple choice trivia questions. I will read a question and then give you 3 possible answers for the question, and you have to try and guess which one is correct. I will give you 6 seconds to make your guess before I give you the answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Which part of the human skeleton is the longest bone? A. The femur, the bone in your thigh. B. The tibia, the bone in your shin. Or C. The humerus, the bone in your upper arm. The answer is A. Your femur, which is the long bone in your thigh. Number 2. How many chambers does the human heart have? A. 2 chambers. B. 4 chambers. Or C. 10 chambers. The answer is B. 4 chambers. The right ventricle, the left ventricle, the right atrium, and the left atrium. Number 3. Which body system is responsible for breaking down food into energy? A. The circulatory system. B. The digestive system. Or C. The respiratory system. The answer is B. The digestive system. Number 4. What type of joint is found in the elbow? A ball and socket joint. B. A hinge joint. Or C. A pivot joint. The answer is B. A hinge joint. And number 5. Which organ is part of the body's filtration system and helps remove waste? A. Your kidneys. B. Hemoglobin. Or C. Your esophagus. The answer is A. Your kidneys. Awesome job with those tricky questions. Okay, next up is a fan favorite. We have some super silly would you rather questions. I will ask a question with 2 different options, and all you need to do is pick which one you'd rather have or do. I'll give you 7 seconds to decide. Are you ready? Okay, let's play. Number 1, would you rather have a leaf growing out of your elbow or grass growing on your head? Number 2, would you rather have 20 hands or 10 feet? Number 3, would you rather have ears that flop like wings or a nose that glows in the dark? Number 4, would you rather have your fingers replaced with spoons or your toes replaced with rocks? Number 5, would you rather have a tail that can hold things like an extra hand or an extra eye on the back of your head? Number 6, would you rather have hair made of water that flows or teeth made of diamonds that sparkle and never break? Number 7, would you rather have the ability to change your skin color like a chameleon or have whiskers that can detect the weather? Number 8, would you rather be able to stretch your arms 10 feet long or be able to shrink to 6 inches tall? Number 9, would you rather have a voice that can mimic any sounds or be able to clean your teeth just by snapping your fingers? And number 10, would you rather have your skin smell like flowers all the time or have your breath always smell like fresh baked cookies? Okay, now it's time to giggle at some anatomy-themed jokes. What is the hip joint's favorite music? Hip hop. Why did the stomach bring a ladder to the party? Because it heard the food was on the house.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Why was the skeleton a terrible comedian? Because he could never find his funny bone. What do you call a bone that lies? A fibula.
Oh, no!
And for the last game of the day, we're going to play a game from my Memory Moves playlist that is for sale on my website, mamabearaudio.com. So if you like this game, be sure to check that out because you can play a bunch more of them. Let's listen to the intro and then play along. Memory Moves by Mama Bear Audio. Welcome to our fun and interactive game called Memory Moves. I'm Miss Rylee, and in this game, I'll guide you through a series of actions, and your job is to remember them and perform them in order. Each round, I'll add one more action to the sequence, making it a little more challenging and a lot more fun. So, get ready to move and shake as you test your memory and your coordination. Are you ready? Let's get started. Game number 1. Touch your head. Touch your head, then your knees. Touch your head, knees, then your toes. Touch your head, knees, toes, then your shoulders. Touch your head, knees, toes, shoulders, then your ears. Touch your head, knees, toes, shoulders, ears, then your elbows. Touch your head, knees, toes, shoulders, ears, elbows, then your chin. Touch your head, knees, toes, shoulders, ears, elbows, chin, then your cheeks. Touch your head, knees, toes, shoulders, ears, elbows, chin, cheeks, then your shins. Touch your head, knees, toes, shoulders, ears, elbows, chin, cheeks, shins, then your belly. Wow, we sure had a body-rific time today learning about the human anatomy. This is Miss Rylee signing off from Games and Giggles. And remember, if you want more fun audio for your Yoto and Tonybox player, head over to mamabearaudio.com to learn more and sign up for free audio each month. Tune in tomorrow for more games, jokes, and giggles. Goodbye for now.